Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I teach you how to upload a photo on Instagram via Safari on your MacBook. First thing first, type Instagram and just log in your account. There's a code sending my phone. This is my Instagram. As you can see, there's no upload icon or add icon. In the menu bar, there's no develop bar or icon. We need to enable that icon. So go to preference, under preference, advanced, click this develop menu in menu bar, okay, and hit X. Now there's a icon develop. Under that, go to user agent and hit this iPhone. Here we go. As you can see, in the lower part there's a icon, plus icon. Just hit this icon and choose the picture or whatever you want. Just hit that, choose, and this is the photo. The only thing that I don't like is you can't crop. So just hit next, type any caption. So yellow. There we go. And share. Okay. There's my photo. And yeah. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Click the bell button.